watch my phone, watch the fireworks. Don't stay there, don't run off. Wow, look at that one, Harvey.
Wow.
Yeah, look at them.
They look nice and pretty.
Yeah. I thought they'd go off that barge, but
They're beautiful, aren't they?
he said they're nice and pretty.
Oh. Is that it?
Nah.
There's more.
Wow, look at them, Harvey. Sand in my shoe. Stand right my kid's way. Get out the way. Fucking hell. Wow, look at them. Can you see? Oh my God, come here. Woo! They are, yeah.
And this one.
Yeah. Don't say that's it. Don't say we walked all that way. There we go. Wow, look at that, Harvey. It's going on a pattern. Best fireworks went Little Down. Firework night, yeah. Took him a couple of years ago with Dad. I bet you wish your boys away now, didn't you?
Yeah.
See this?
Jesse would be frightened.
Would he?
Yeah.
He's always love fireworks, no matter how loud they are.
Gabriella and Jesse would have been really scared.
Woo! Harvey, look at that one!
Massive.
That was! Oh, that one was sick. I'm trying to watch it and hold my phone in the steady. Someone shot me, Harvey! Bang! Have you ever seen the smiley face one?
Do they do it?
No, they done it a Little Down and a Love Heart. Big ones, Harvey. Woo!
It's so nice.
Yeah. First one's maybe just.
It's huge, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's loud.
The louder bangs when they come out of the bleeding. Wow! Fudge. Look at them! Yeah. New Year, me, my brother and the other fellow, we were going up on the Thames on a boat to see the London London night. Can't wait. Wow! Oh, look at that one. Oh, wow, look at them!
Oh! Oh, you have to count for that.
Is that it? Aren't they mad? I've never seen them before.
No, me either.
Way, big ones, Harvey. Big ones.
Clever.
Oh well, they went all out, didn't they? They went all out, didn't they? Do you not? I do not know. Oh no. Video stopped because of the... Oh no, it didn't. Got a rattle through my chest, that did. Wow, look at them!
Is that it?
No.
Clap in a minute when it's finished.
I need to stand back. That was quite loud in my ears.
Loved it.
It's like my stomach is sick.
Oh, I think they're finished.
I haven't.
I think they have
Did you like that?
I haven't.
That was worth coming out for, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I